got a little bit of an issue with one of my, I'd say one of my cameras, but it's not, it's the actual battery. That is supposed to be inside there. So hold it. What I'm thinking of doing is either gluing that in with hot glue or gluing this bit to it. Just trying to get it back in at the moment now, but it won't go back in. I don't know how it's done that. I've got the smaller battery this is on now, and I've got a spare one as well, but I use these a spare as it is. Might have to see if I can open it up a bit. Don't really want to do this like, but sticking out like a sore thumb. I might have to glue that to the bottom of it, leave it at an angle so I can still use these connections onto my tripod or me. I might have to do it that way. Just hope the hot glue takes to it and holds it there. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to. I'm going to plug the gun in. I've got the hot glue gun here. And that's my last glue stick as well, so I'm bugging if it don't work. I'm going to put you in the overhead camera. Right. I forced that in like that, but I'm going to make sure it stays in. Put this, I'm going to, got my glue heating up. I'm going to glue it so it's like that. Ooh. I've got plenty of these things from my other cameras anyway, so looks like it's heating up a bit. Not very long this wire, so I'm going to be doing it in my left arm. Right, see if it'll... Wait a bit longer. Oh. Yeah, it's starting to come out a bit more easier. Put it around there. So at least about 5 or 6 seconds before this stuff sets and goes hard. Try it now. I have got a spare one of these batteries, but you know, I don't want to be losing camera equipment, so got one. See what I've got a spare one here. Look, not used, as well as the camera, not used yet, but I will be using them soon. Just make them last a bit longer. I'll turn that off now and let that dry. Seems to have taken. put it on there, and I've got the spare one, I've got this spare, and I've got this spare. That's what I need it for when I'm using that with it, and it won't crack open again, hopefully. I will sort that out. I'll leave that overnight and let it dry, let it set for a bit. Make sure this doesn't burn my table. Unplug it. Put it there. Good morning. Checking this. Seems to be holding in there better, so hopefully it'll work longer. Put it onto this, and I'll put it onto a stand, a spare one I've got. There we go, got that. I ain't got a camera on it yet, but I'll just see if it'll work on this. Point you down a bit. There we have it. Feels strong, it doesn't wobble. Table wobbles though, but this doesn't. That's good. Right. Stick in my hair. Right, I'll get ready. I've left that overnight to cool down. I know it doesn't take that long to cool down, but at least it didn't start any fires. Don't know where to put it now. I'll get ready and see you. Well, they've left one, so that means later tonight, because it's Friday, council don't work on a weekend, and if it's still there tonight, my boxes are going in it. I'm going to sit here today and rip off all their names. Just be quiet a moment. I'll take off all the names and addresses, of my name and address off the boxes. Make sure they can't trace it back to me. Later today I'm going to sort out one of my scooters. I've got one now. I had an electric scooter and a Scootex, or BMX scooter, whatever you call them. I'm going to sort it out later and start using it. Especially for short journeys. I'm not taking it down to, anywhere muddy. I'll just take it locally. I got rid of my electric scooter because people started saying that they're illegal, so I got rid of it and got the e-bike instead. But the pedal one, the push scooter, I kept. Didn't bother, setting it up. I've had it for ages. It's probably gone past the return date. So if it's faulty, I'm buggered. I might go this way. I'm going home now anyway. I might go this way just to get a little bit of time lapse, if I can find somewhere to put it. See how good this camera is with time lapse. I usually do it with my SJ cam or my other action cam. Never done it with this one because I don't know how good the time lapse is on this, so I'll find somewhere to put it. Got to be somewhere down there to put it anyway. I hate it when I can't find anywhere to put my camera. I could put it on here, but I might have to hold it. There's that little green box thing there. But with this stand it doesn't point upwards, it points forward only. Right. There's a curved one there, I might hold it while it's doing it. Well, that's the time lapse done. We're home now, we only live there. Down that bush bit there is where kids used to sneak down there and smoke that wacky backy. Could smell it in my bloody flat. Don't mind people doing it, I just don't want it. They were there, in there. But that was before all the bush started going over. Right. If you like the video, give us a like, comment and a subscribe. Oh, I can still get in by there. Give us a like, comment and a subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.